Hey, so welcome back to the channel. So today we're finally getting to try the fish and chips. I told you guys on that previous video about me trying to catch this place and they had mechanical problems. Well, I'm back and they're here today, so I'm excited. Take a look.
So I can email it, text it to you, or I can write on the box.
On the Hook Fish and Chips. So we're gonna go check them out. We're gonna go check them out and see what they're all about. So we just placed our order there. Let me zoom in. So the fish and chips is $14, or you could get just fish, just fries, or extra fish. So definitely excited to try this place out. I do like supporting small businesses, local vendors. I can't wait. Having some vinegar and tartar sauce. Sounds yummy. Stay tuned. Hey, so welcome back. So we got our food. Smells scrumptious. Check this out. Oh, Lord have mercy. Woo! Yo, if you can't tell I'm excited, I'm excited. I'm excited. Take some. Woo! It's like 100 degrees out here today. Look at this. They got this cool little sriracha mayo. They know I like that kick. Got tartar sauce. Look at this fish. Man, look at that. How nice that looks. Look how nice and woo, seasoned. Nice and seasoned that is. It's hot. Got my media manager here with me today.
Hello.
It's my boy. My 14-year-old boy. He keeps me on top of the all the new content and all the social medias. How to access them. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, please do. I'm also on the Talk now. So my boy back here, he tells me what music I should post for the video. Kind of what some of the popular songs are out. What bangers are out, so that would get more attention for my video. So yeah, he's pretty helpful. I'm gonna put my sauces here. I got this new tray, so hopefully nothing falls. I'll put my fish on this side, my sauce right here. I'm gonna have to take this off. Let me make a little revision here, folks. There we go. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking with Crisco. So let's try this. How's that fish, Junior? Did you try it yet?
I haven't tried it yet.
I know it's really hot. Look at that, guys. Sriracha mayo. Wow, very, very flavorful. I forgot to get some vinegar. Do you have any vinegar in there?
No. No, hold up, I'm not sure.
Look how flaky that fish is.
No.
Try this tartar sauce. Can you guys hear that crunch? Listen up. Woo! What do you think, bud? Yeah, it's funny. He was on a couple videos with me earlier when I started doing this. Maybe we were just starting out, maybe a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago, right, Junior?
Yeah, probably like 2 or 1.
No. Look at the fries. They're seasoned really good. Let me move out. I don't know if you can see them. They're seasoned really good. But he started helping me. He was on a couple of videos with me doing some mukbangs. Shoot, these younger kids today, man, they know what's up on the social media. So he's like, yeah, set up your talk this way, your TikTok this way, put these songs on these videos, because the more popular songs, I guess, get more play and they move up as far as popularity. So your videos may get posted with that song. You may laugh at that, but it's the truth. He'll be 14. This kid's showing me the way, for real. Wow. Very impressed with this truck. You know, sometimes, you know, when you go to these trucks, and even though, you know, like I said, I like to support local businesses, small businesses, I've been to some trucks like this, you know, food trucks, and the serving's kind of skimpy, right? They're just trying to save some cost. But this is these guys did not by any means. You got a good amount of serving of fries. They cook everything fresh, obviously, right there in the truck. You get 3 big pieces of fried cod. Really, really good. But on the flip end, you always do expect to pay a little more for the smaller businesses, right? They're not like the big chain stores or restaurants. I forgot to get something to drink, Junior. They didn't have anything to drink there, though.
No,
They didn't have anything on the menu for drinks.
but this is still really good.
Are you trying the sriracha?
Yeah.
I'm very impressed, guys. Look at that. I mean, good servings. For $14, not too shabby. I do wish I would have asked for the vinegar. He said they had vinegar, but I totally forgot to remind him. Very good, very good. Thumbs up. Still really hot. This sriracha mayo is really good. They sell this at Kroger's, and we've got it for something. I don't know what we were using it for. I don't want to say sandwiches, but it's the actual sriracha sauce. The only thing I like that sriracha sauce on is pastas, noodles, hot noodles, regular noodles, ramen noodles, spaghetti noodles, and like my pho. The pho or any like Chinese food, I like to put that on, give it a little extra kick. But I don't use like sriracha like my wife. She puts sriracha on everything. And burgers and stuff like that. I don't really get down like that. I need some more sauce. This sriracha mayo, though, is good with this. Even these fries.
Would you like the rest of my sriracha? Because I didn't really
Yeah.
like it. It was too spicy for me right now.
No, you didn't. Oh, I was going to say, you didn't open it.
I opened it, then I closed it.
Look at that. So what do you think's on the next venture for us, Junior? As far as growing our channel.
Honestly, I don't know.
We got to get together. Did you get any napkins?
No.
There. Always got those napkins on deck.
Thank you.
What do they say too? Chipotle. You're the best napkins, by the way. So, if you haven't heard, there's a little celebration going on here in Colorado. Avalanche, baby. Stanley Cup champions. 2022. Man, what an exciting series that was. Man, I thought we were gonna clinch it on Game 5. I really wanted to clinch it on Game 5, but didn't happen. Anyway, yeah, we're going to the parade this week. So I took some time off of work. So did my family. It's going to be exciting. They're expecting over 1 million people down there. It's going to be tough because my wife, she kind of doesn't like to be around a lot of people. So, and neither do I sometimes, you know. When I was younger, I did. I mean, I would go to all these festivities and things like that downtown, but things are a lot more crazier these days out in the public, so that's going to be a challenge. Hopefully for her, she'll be all right. But yeah, they're expecting over 1 million people. It's gonna be crazy, man. It's gonna be exciting. I may take some videos of that and share it. Maybe I'll put it on my short, upload it as a short or something like that. But yeah, I think this is gonna do it, guys. Just wanted to bring you guys with me to try this new, this first experience of this fish truck, fish and chips. Man, amazing. 10 out of 10. What do you think, Junior?
What?
What do you think?
I think this was actually super good.
Very impressed of this food, this food truck. Very good, very tasty, large portions. Everything was fried to perfection. It had seasoning on the fish, seasoning on the fries, and good portions. I mean, come on. When the big guy tells you it's good portions, you got to believe him, right? But yeah, guys, thanks for coming with me. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know your experience too. I want to start hearing from some of you guys on what experiences, food truck experiences you guys had. Were they good? Were they bad? Are they some of your favorite places to eat now that you go to? So put it in the comments below. Other than that, I appreciate it, guys, and thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.